What's going on, guys? It's Picsoleated. I'm just kidding, there's nothing in there. Today was a good day. What's up, my pigheads? I'm in a particularly good mood today. As I mentioned in my previous videos, a new generation of gaming is upon us, and that leaves us with one question. Was your boy able to secure? Well, let's talk about it. We're about to get into it right now. This is going to be a short video just because I've been particularly busy this week and I just haven't copped a lot of stuff to show you guys. At the same time, I don't think I need to base my videos off things that I've copped to show you, but that's some Mariana's Trench deep conversation type stuff for another time. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy the video at any point. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos. It helps the channel out a lot. And make sure to hit that noti bell to join Noti Gang and so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, so the question that's been on everyone's mind, did I cop the PS5? Okay, I know, the question's not on everyone's mind, but yes, I did. Now, I unboxed this PS5 on my Twitch stream already, and if that's the kind of stuff you want to see early, go ahead and follow me on Twitch, link is in the description. Now here's some of that unboxing from the live stream. Okay, guys, talk quietly. It's really big, guys. Is it ASMR yet? Play like never before. Jesus. It's shitting out a whole other box. And I think it's a third box. PS5 is smaller than you thought you might. Power stand, HDMI, DualSense controller. Come on. There it is. I'm trying to get this PS5 in the video. This is literally the only place I can put it where you can still see it, so this is what you get. Now, I was able to secure a pre-order for my PS5 at a store called Shoppers here in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart, and let's talk about the Ps5 Pre-Order Release for a moment. As we all know, the Ps5 pre-orders released as sort of a surprise to everyone on the day they released. There was an entire live stream event that went on early on in that day on September, I believe it was September 12th or something like that, and at the end of the video they said the pre-orders should come in the following days. But what ended up happening was they actually just surprise released pretty much everywhere. They shock dropped everywhere on that same day. And because of that, quite a few people were upset because everyone obviously thought it was going to happen in the following day, so they weren't bothering to check updates and what was going on. At the same time, because it was a surprise release, everyone who had bots or whoever tries to cop in bulk to resell them wasn't able to get them, or maybe they did, but they weren't able to get as many as they normally do. It caught many by surprise. Thankfully, I was able to get my pre-order within that time frame. The Xbox Series X pre-orders ended up happening a little differently because Microsoft announced them so early. Everyone was prepared to get them, and most likely most people who wanted them didn't get them. It was mostly the resellers who were able to get them. I was able to secure a pre-order for the Xbox as well, and I unboxed it on my live stream. Once again, link in the description, but it was much more difficult than when I pre-ordered the PS5. Obviously, stores have a certain amount of stock already allocated for launch day, and come launch day, once again, it was first come first serve releases for all the stores. All the stores were obviously online because of COVID, and once again, because they're online, it was almost impossible to cop manually for most people. So while a lot of people were mad at Sony for shock dropping the PS5 pre-orders first time around, looking back at it, is that the release method you'd prefer as opposed to announcing it well ahead of time and then everyone is ready to cop? It's something to think about. I'm almost certain most people who cop manually were the ones who were able to cop on the shock drop pre-orders that happened the first time around. At least that's what I gather from what I've heard. At the end of the day, I'm just happy I have mine secured and chilling and popping off on my desk right now. I also managed to cop some of the Ps5 accessories, and here they are. The first one we have here is the PlayStation Wireless Pulse 3D headset. This is supposed to be their first foray into taking advantage of their brand new Tempest 3D audio engine, which is supposed to revolutionize the way we hear things in game. I'm excited to review this in its full capacity. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Again, I've already unboxed these on my Twitch live stream, so if you want to see more things like that early on, you know what to do. I've already tried these out on Warzone, and I gotta say, I used to use this PlayStation Gold headset before these, and wow, is there a significant difference in how clearly you can tell where the enemy's footsteps are. In a game like Warzone, it's so important to figure out where your enemies are before they figure out where you are so you can get them before they get you, and this headset makes it 10 times easier than when I was using this PlayStation Gold headset right here, which almost warrants the price point for these already. Quality higher end gaming headsets usually end up costing quite a bit, usually around 200 Canadian dollars or more. I believe this was 139.99 Canadian dollars, and it is a significant upgrade from the PlayStation PlayStation Gold headset that I used to use before that I got for 80 bucks on sale. Its retail price is usually around 100 bucks or 110 bucks. I also managed to get the controller wireless charging station, which is pretty self-explanatory in itself. It's wall powered, so it saves you a USB slot on your PlayStation 5. You can put 2 controllers on it. You just set them down in the 2 little notches and they start charging instantly. This kind of looks like a mini PlayStation 2 in case you didn't notice. Alright, my sneakerhead fam, yes, we're finally done with the tech unboxings and we're getting into the sneakers. The next unboxing we have is right here. Full disclosure, this is a new silhouette for me. I've never bought a shoe of this silhouette in the past, and once I remove this thing, you will understand what I'm talking about. This is a New Balance sneaker. This is a new model. I believe they either released it early this year or late last year. It's really new compared to most of New Balance's models. It's been getting a lot of traction and I actually think they look really nice. And as you can tell, Levi's for feet. It is actually a New Balance Levi's collab. I believe this is the second time they're collaborating. Their first collaboration is much older. Look it up, it's pretty sick. So these are the Levi's X New Balance 327. Now they released in 3 different colorways, 2 colorways for men's and 1 colorway for women's. My PS5 has already become a stand. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is denim. Right here, that's denim. Just as you would expect from Levi's, got the red Levi's tab. I don't know if they have blank tags on this the way they have on the Levi's Air Jordan 4s. This is a collaboration with one of my favorite jean brands. Actually, what used to be one of my favorite jean brands because I haven't worn jeans in a long time. I don't know what it is. I think I've just been prioritizing comfort and breathability over aesthetics in the last few years. I don't know if it's a phase. I might switch out of this phase at some point once again. But for now, I really don't wear jeans that often. Anyways, I got these in a half a size down. I don't really know if they fit in a half a size down. Most New Balance usually do fit half a size down, but I'm gonna test that out in a moment. Damn it, there's like the smallest bit of tissue paper at the end. Why would you put it such a small piece of tissue paper? All right, so far they feel like they fit half a size down. It's a good fit, but I feel like maybe true to size might be more comfortable unless these break in a little, which I expect they will because they are denim. They're denim and leather. Either way, the execution on these is incredible. Come with an extra set of laces. This is the white side. This is also denim, by the way. I will be doing a full review on this, so stay tuned for that. On the topic of sneakers, I wanted to bring up one thing that I messed up on. Last week, I did my sneaker leaks and releases video, and I said that the Nike Sacai Vapor Waffle was releasing last week. In fact, it ended up releasing this week. It was an honest mistake, my bad. The info on sneaker releases isn't always the most accurate, especially when there are different release dates in different regions, as well as COVID disrupting a lot of the deliveries for a lot of stores and regions as well, making the delivery dates just that much more unpredictable. Either way, just wanted to quickly bring that up. Not a big deal. That's all I've got for you guys today. I'm going to be doing more gaming and tech related stuff in the near future, so if that's something you're interested in, let me know. Did you hop onto the PS5 wave yet, or did the world give you an L? What do you think about the New Balance X Levi's 327 collab? Leave it all in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one. Picsoleated has found his New Balance.